You can go ahead and set your own rubrics for any particular assignment that you would like. One way to do so is to go to your gradebook. Then once you get to the gradebook, go to the grade setup. In the upper right, you'll see two things, scales and rubrics. Click on rubrics, and what you'll have there is the option to go ahead and use one that you've already created, or you can go ahead and add a new one. Each time you add one, you can name that rubric, and then you can set the criteria and some descriptors for each of these. Each of these spots here are able to be changed by you, and you can go ahead and use your own particular descriptions for your students. You can also add criteria. You can also add in terms of another extended. In other words, you could have more than 4, you could have 5 sets. And what you'll notice is that each time you do that, the number down here in the corner right here will also change. So for example, if I wanted only 4 rubrics for one criteria but 5 rubrics for another, you will be able to see that in the total amount. Another way to go ahead and set the rubrics if you have it for a particular assignment is to go ahead and add that assignment. Once you have that assignment, you can then go ahead and say, well, what do you want it? You can go ahead and make it numeric, or you can create the rubric right within the assignment itself. You'll get the same type of template as you would in your gradebook. And like the one in the gradebook, you can go ahead and name it. And then you can go ahead and add criteria. You can describe the criteria and you can create it. Make sure you go ahead and put it wherever you want that in terms of the category, and you create, and that way there the students will have the rubric for the project or any type of creative homework assignment or anything else they might be doing.